Aiyé, the wife of Orunmila. Orunmila, the wise one and master of divination, lived alone, consumed by his solitude. He turned to Olodumare, the supreme creator, and asked for a suitable companion to share his life. In response, Olodumare granted his request. One night, Orunmila fell into a deep sleep, and during this slumber, his essence fertilized Aiyé, the earth herself. From their union, 16 children descended from the heavens to Title-Aiye, becoming the patriarchs of humanity. A jealous and insolent partner. While Aiyé was a remarkable creation, she was also fiercely jealous and headstrong. Her insolence grew so unbearable that Orunmila eventually left her. Aiyé, in her anger, refused to allow Orunmila to perform Ifa divination upon her surface, forcing him to find alternative methods. At that time, Orunmila had not yet discovered the use of the Opon Ifa, the sacred divination tray, which left him struggling to maintain his divine purpose. The turning point. One day, while traveling, Orunmila encountered Aiyé in a dire state. She was withered, neglected, and weak. Feeling compassion for her, he decided to mend their relationship. Orunmila prepared an elaborate offering to honor Aiyé and restore balance between them. He presented 4 roosters, 4 doves, 4 servings of echo, fermented cornmeal, a white plate, a bottle of palm oil, a mix of cornmeal with plenty of oil, honey, sugar, and sweets, and money. He brought these offerings alongside the assistance of Ogun, the god of iron and war, and Obatala, the deity of purity and creation. A new union with Olokun. To further solidify his position, Orunmila formed a union with Olokun, the ruler of the seas. Using Olokun's sands, Orunmila laid the foundation for his divine practice of Itefa, initiation rites, for his children. Together, they offered 2 pigeons as a sacrifice to Olokun, consecrating the new system of Ifa. With the introduction of the Opale, a sacred divination tool, Orunmila strengthened his ability to foresee and protect himself from future adversities. This marked the end of the discord that had existed within him and between him and Aiyé. A renewed balance. From that day forward, harmony was restored. Orunmila's fortunes improved and his spiritual practices flourished. It became tradition to perform divinations both on the earth and on sand, symbolizing the unity between Orunmila, Aiyé, and Olokun. This story reminds us of the importance of reconciliation, balance, and innovation in overcoming challenges, teaching that even in times of discord, understanding and wisdom can lead to harmony and progress.